name's Joanna, and today my husband Damon is going to be reviewing this Sonic electric toothbrush.
Hi, I'm Damon, and I'm going to be reviewing this 7am 2M Sonic electric toothbrush. So let's go ahead and open it. So what comes in the box is your instructions, your toothbrush handle itself, charger, 6 toothbrush heads, which comes in this box. Alright, so what you'll want to do is just place a toothbrush head on there like that. The bristles are super soft. There are 5 different modes. You have clean, white, polish, milder, and then soft. This is your battery indicator. This is your power button / mode button. And on the bottom, there is your USB Type-C charging port. Alright, so let's just show what the different modes are. You have your clean, white, polish, milder, which is like a pulsating one, and then soft. So this is the clean, white, polish, this is the milder, and then the soft. So when it comes to this electric toothbrush, I would highly recommend it. It has 5 different cleaning modes, it comes with 6 replacement toothbrush heads, and on a single charge, it can last up to 45 days.